Not knowing where to start, yeah, that can be really difficult. If you're not sure, sometimes there's such a big rabble of things, it's hard to get through it all. Oops. Let's see here. Pull this stuff over. There we go. Going through a lot of material to find maybe one usable, yeah, that can be really frustrating. Lots of options. Finding all the resources you need. Yeah, a lot of them are just big, like 20 pages of research. That can be hard. Specific information, that can be really difficult. How long it can take, it takes a while, yeah. Awesome. Well, these are all things we're going to talk about and we're going to address, and I'm going to dive right in. Yeah, figuring out what you actually need. What to keep. Yeah, all of this stuff. I've heard all this stuff from other people and myself, because I've been a scholar for a while now as well. Too many resources. Great. And there's 3 tabs: full search, books and media, research, and course guides. We're going to talk about these 2 the most today, as they're the most relevant for doing research. Let's start off with our research and course guides. These are research guides that were created by librarians to put resources in one location for you, either by subject or by the topic, basically trying to narrow everything down. Because like you said, there's a lot of resources out there, so sometimes it's hard to figure out, well, what's relevant? What do I care about for this? So this is our attempt to help you out with that. So you can see they're sorted by subject. You'll be able to pull up the full text, and you should be able to download it as well, and you can upload it to the cloud. So you can see this is the full article. This is what it looks like. If I go back, save PDF to cloud, so you have your OneDrive connected to your student email, you can save it to that. You can also email it to yourself. Choose an email here.
Library homepage. Go to mssu.edu and under Academics, click Library. This will bring you to the library homepage. This is your portal for all our services. If you scroll down, you can see the library hours are posted daily, as well as the available times of our study rooms. Study rooms close 1 hour before the library does, so that we have the chance to clean and sanitize them for your safety. Make sure to check the library.
To book your instruction session, go to the library homepage. On the left-hand side of the screen, click Faculty. Then you'll see a link to book an instruction session. Fill out the form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.